today we're going to show you how to make mobile touch buttons in Roblox Studio. So just copy the script in. And here is what you want to put. Here is what you script. That is what happens when you click the touch button. So you have to set an image or set your image ID here, or you can just set text, which is set title. Right now, I'm just gonna set the title to Lexus. And right now I set it to play an audio file. Oh, and shout out to Sky3Yeet693 for subscribing to my channel. If you want to get a shout out too, then subscribe. So, now that we have it, let's test it out. Alright. So we have a bunch of stuff up here in the output. Let's let it load in. Look, we see the button. And it plays the sound, which I set it. You can actually change its position, but it's kind of hard to do that, so do it how you want. So that was it for this video. If you want to get a shout out, subscribe or like if you have found the video helpful. And bye.